Wagi wa wirutiri wa kanjo ya governors na makiria thiini wa kamiti ya uruti wira thiini wa kanjo iyo niguo koretwo uri muhinga munene hari gutuithania mathina maria maragumira arigitani a gikiro gia clinical officers bururi-ini. Uu ni kuringana na arugamiriri a ngwataniro ino ya arigitani aya makiaria thutha wa ngirimiti ya kunina mugomo uria ukoretwo githie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Marsabit kwa ihinda ria nduku 217 wiguano uria urakinyanirio mbere ya mucirithania Stella Ruto.
Not only about Marsabit. As we talk today, there is strike ongoing in Meru. It's doing the third week. There is another strike going on also in Bungoma, and the issues are the same: delayed promotion and a redesignation, people stagnating in one job group for more than 10 years.
Na tukauga twina thina committee-ini ya Labour iria tongoragio ni Her Excellency Gladys Wanga tondu ni twamandikire na hari mieri iyo nana ona matire matwita mamenye thina wiha.
Arigitani aya makiuga ni uhoro wa kieha kuona mugomo wa arigitani kuma Marsabit ugithi na mbere nduku icio ciothe gutari na makinya kanjo ya governors iratacukia.
Mieri nana ya mugomo hari maundu maingi ronania na undu umwe ronania ni ati hari na thina hari departments iria cigitwo ni thirikari gutigirira ati kwina social dialogue na maundu maya matirakorwo magikinya haria maya ma Marsabit makinyite.
The celebration is really a moment that we really need to have a retrospect of what kind of suffering that the people of Marsabit have undergone. It might not have been highlighted, but people must have suffered.
Murugamiriri wa aruti wira a muingi kaunti-ini ya Marsabit agitugiria ikinya ria kunina mugomo ucio guku akiuga ni urathararitie motungata na njira nene thiini wa kaunti iyo.
Strike have greatly affected the service delivery. You know, clinical officers are the backbone of the health service delivery, particularly at the outpatient centers. So, of course, the last 200 days has been really challenge for us in terms of course, mothers delivering, in terms of course, the health-related services particularly. So, it has really affected.
Arigitani kuma kaunti ya Marsabit makoretwo maigite miro yao thi magitatia nyongerera ya mishara kwaga kuhambio ngathi na thirikari ya kaunti kwaga gukinyaniria ngirimiti ya hau kabere.
Delayed promotion and a redesignation, people stagnating in one job group for more than 10 years, non-provision of the of essential services like the comprehensive medical cover, you know. All those issues are same issue.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Njeta Theuri wa Bogo.